Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So today I am going to show you guys how I braid my hair. This is a two-part video. So this is part one. I'm going to show you guys how I braid my hair, and then part two, I am going to show you guys what I am going to do to the ends, how I curl it, and so on. Keep in mind that majority of the hair was already done before the filming. I just wanted to show you guys how I grip when I'm in the back, and then how I also grip when I'm in the front. So if you guys would like to learn how to braid your own hair, keep on watching. This is going to be up close and personal, so hopefully you get to see everything. So yeah, if you want to learn, keep on watching. So I just want to show you guys how I hold my hair, the braiding hair. So right now, all I do is I place the braiding hair. Oh my God, was that gray hair? I just place the braiding hair on my scalp, and I split my hair into three to go along with the braiding hair. And I just, braid, and I tighten the roots as I go. So as I do one braid, I pull it to tighten it. I hope that what I am saying makes sense. It is very hard. Like doing tutorials with hair, because it's so hard for me to explain it, being that I am self-taught. Nobody taught me how to do this. I learned on my own. So I really do hope that whatever I say makes sense to you guys. If it does, let me know in the comment section. If it doesn't, also let me know. Again, so place the hair on your scalp, separate it into three to match the braiding hair, and then just pull tight and braid. I'm going to try not to talk a lot in this video, so just I'm going to really try. So guys, if you guys want to see how I do the braids, I have another video up that shows you guys how I braid, so you can check that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and just tie a knot at the bottom like you guys saw right there, and that's just to secure the end of the braid. So guys, also one thing that I wanted to share with you guys, that if you feel like you need to add more hair to the other section, this is how I do it. Again, I do have another video on my channel which is more detailed if you guys want to check that out. Also, I know it's been a while since I did any braiding tutorial. Listen, 2021, I got y'all. Okay, just let me know what you want to learn, what you want to see, and I will do it. I know how to do almost every braid that you could possibly think of, by the grace of God. So just let me know in the comment section below what type of hair braiding videos you guys would like to see, what type of tutorials you guys would like to see when it comes to hair, and I will get it out there to y'all. So guys, this is how I would grip if I was braiding the back. I grip it as if I am doing cornrows, because the back, you can't see it. So that's the only way for me to grip. Like, I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense, but because I can't see it, this is how I would have to do it. So I hope that this helps you guys. So again, when you're in the back, just grip it like you're doing cornrows, and then just like, as you guys can see, I brought the hair to the front and then just started braiding. Again, I have a lot of braiding videos on my channel if you guys want to check them out. So yeah, I really hope that this video helped somebody out there. This is a two-part video, like I said in the beginning. So this is just me showing you guys how I do the braids, and then in the second video I will show you guys how I curl the ends. Okay guys, so again, to show you guys how I tie the knot, this is how I tie the knot at the end to secure the braids so that it does not unravel. I do a double knot. Again, I have many videos, so if you guys would like to see a more detailed video, you can check out my channel, but I do think that this is as detailed as it can possibly get. Also with YouTube, if you feel like this is too fast or if this video is moving too fast, what you could do is, I know YouTube has the option where like you can slow down the video, if that will work for you guys. Oh my God, guys, I was so excited. Listen, it took me forever and I was done and I was just excited. So this is the finished look. Of course, the ends are not curled yet. That is going to be a separate video in itself. Can you imagine braiding this big old head all by yourself? I did that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Let me know what you guys think, what type of videos you guys would like to see in the comment section below, and I will do that for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!